Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control panel frame on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out. Now unthread the screws to release the upper rear access panel. Pull the panel down to remove. Disconnect the ribbon connector from the main control board. Unthread the mounting screws to release the board from the support brackets. Unthread the spark module board mounting screw, then lift the board up to detach. Use a short Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the lower screws, securing the control panel frame to the supports. You can now fully detach the frame. Depress the upper tabs to release the spark module board mounting plate. Next, pull out the bottom edge of the frame to detach the tabs, then remove the overlay panel assembly and set it aside. Install the new control panel frame by aligning the overlay panel assembly and snapping it into place. Align the spark module board mounting plate and snap it into place on the frame. Now position the new frame on the supports. Thread and tighten the lower screws. Align the spark module board mounting posts in the slots, then thread the mounting screw. Reposition the main control board and secure it with the screws. Connect the ribbon connector as well. Reinstall the upper rear access panel. Reinstall the lower rear access panel. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.